Welcome friends. In this daily Bitcoin technical analysis, I will do technical analysis of Bitcoin and I will tell you my next price target for the Bitcoin right now. So please watch this video until end, and please, if you want to get $2,300 bonus of Binance and Bybit exchange, go to in this video's comment section where you can get these links in pin message. Click on Binance exchange link and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get $700 bonus. And if you want to get Bybit $1,600 bonus, click on this link and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get $1,600 bonus, which is withdrawable and tradable too. Let's dive into the content right now. This is Bitcoin 1 hour chart. In my previous video, I was told you that Bitcoin was in this ascending channel and I was set this target $33,170, and here you can see Bitcoin perfectly hit this target, and after hitting this target Bitcoin is again bounced back, and after hitting this zone 35,000, which is major resistance zone for the Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin again pulled back and now it is at $34,161. Main question is that what is next and what is the Bitcoin next move and my price targets right now. Let me please show you. Bitcoin is creating some new patterns. I would like to show you in this video. So please watch this video until end, and I will show you my all targets and my expectations from Bitcoin. So please watch this until end. Here you can see Bitcoin is still in this ascending channel. Here you can see after this is lower support, this is lower support, this is upper resistance, this is resistance, and this is also resistance, and Bitcoin can go down to $33,800 to $33,500. This is very strong area for the Bitcoin to hold. Once Bitcoin hit this, Bitcoin have to hold this, and if Bitcoin pull back from that zone, the next target will be the $35,100. This horizontal resistance of the Bitcoin. This is very strong resistance right now for the Bitcoin have to hold break this. Once Bitcoin break this, it can move like this. Let me please show you. Maybe it can go down to hit this zone, and after hitting this zone it will move towards upside, and after that it can hit this zone. $35,600 area is the next target once Bitcoin break $35,000 area. But the main, you have to focus the main area, $35,000 right now. If Bitcoin break this, then Bitcoin definitely will go up to hit $36,700, maybe $38,000 again. Overly EMA ribbon is not good condition, and it is not a good thing. And currently volume is decent in 1 hourly chart, and let me please show you VPVR. In VPVR, most of the buying orders are buying and selling orders are waiting to execute from $33,400 to $33,700, and after that $34,800 is the area where most of the buying orders and selling orders are waiting for execution. And let me please show you my other chart, and here you can see this is Bitcoin 1 hour chart, and Bitcoin was in this ascending channel. After that Bitcoin was in this descending channel, and after that Bitcoin is in this ascending channel, and after that now Bitcoin again is in this ascending channel. The main target of this ascending channel is $35,700 upper trend line. Once it break, it can go to hit this zone again, $35,900, and then $36,600, which is the strongest resistance after $35,000. This is the strongest resistance for the Bitcoin have to break. Bitcoin was make this bull flag, and after that Bitcoin hit my target, and now I think Bitcoin have to move to hit $35,000 first, and then it can hit $35,400 to $35,500. Once it break, the next level is waiting for the Bitcoin is at $35,000. $35,700 and $36,700 are the area waiting for the Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin will move like this. This is first scenario. And if unfortunately Bitcoin break this towards downside, in that case price of the Bitcoin can go down to hit $32,300 area. Sorry for that. We have to trade very carefully. If you trade, then trade be aware this thing, and this ascending channel target is $32,300 level, and the target is that. Let me please show you 4 hourly chart, daily chart, sorry. In daily chart, Bitcoin break this descending channel towards upside, but again Bitcoin fails to break this zone $36,800, and after that Bitcoin is moving in between this area $34,000 to $35,000 area. Once Bitcoin break this daily resistance, which is waiting for the Bitcoin, is at $36,700 area. Next target would be $41,000 for the Bitcoin right now. Let me please show you the EMA ribbon. The daily EMA ribbon is at $36,260, and once Bitcoin break this area, in that case Bitcoin price will go up, otherwise it will go down. And most of the buying and selling VPVR towers, volume towers, are at $31,800 to this area, $38,900 area. And after that, most of the selling orders are waiting for execution is at that level, $58,000 and $56,000 and $55,000 in daily chart. Sorry for that. This is Bitcoin 4 hourly chart, and there is a new pattern. This is Pennant type, and Bitcoin is in this ascending channel. Now Bitcoin have to decide its move because of this Pennant and because of this ascending channel. This is upper area, upper trend line area, and this is down trend line area of this ascending channel. Bitcoin have to decide. If Bitcoin break this area $35,800, it can hit again $38,600, and then it can easily hit this target. If it fails to break this, it can go down to, if it break this downtrend line, in that case first target would be like this, and this will be very unfortunate for all of us, and it can go down to $28,000 if Bitcoin fails to hold this level, $32,000 area, and break this Pennant and break this ascending channel. These both patterns, if Bitcoin break and close 4 hourly candle below $32,000, $32,300, in that case Bitcoin price can go down to hit $29,000, maybe $28,000. And if Bitcoin break this area towards upside $35,800, in that case Bitcoin can hit $39,000. This is upper trend line. Once Bitcoin break this upper trend line, in that case, let me please clone this. In that case, Bitcoin price can hit easily $44,000. Maybe, let me please arrange this. $44,250 will be the target in that case. We have to focus on these two boxes. The price level of these two boxes are $32,800 area. From below, if Bitcoin close 4 hourly below $32,500, in that case it can go down to hit this zone. And once Bitcoin break this and close 4 hourly above this zone, $36,800, it can hit $39,000, then $44,000 after that. Let me please show you 4 hourly EMA ribbon. 4 hourly EMA ribbon is not a good sign, and it is not a valid EMA ribbon. Valid EMA ribbon is like this. Every EMA is very prominent, but now it is not very prominent, and that is why this is not valid. Let me please show you 4 hourly volume. 4 hourly volume is not good. Maybe Bitcoin, we can see some sideways action in Bitcoin in 4 hour chart. And here you can see most of the buying orders are in this area. Here you can see this area again, $32,800. Buying and selling orders are waiting for the execution in that area. I think most of the selling orders are waiting to execute in this area, $32,800. Once Bitcoin break this towards downside, there are very less volume VPVR towers. The indication is that Bitcoin can go down to $28,000. I am not saying that this is gonna to happen, but maybe it can. This is Bitcoin 4 hourly chart, and this Bitcoin is still in this broadening bottom and pattern. And here you can see after hitting this several times, $32,800, again $32,800 area, Bitcoin bounced back. Here you can see Bitcoin, sorry for that, and here you can see Bitcoin hit this area again. Bitcoin hit this area, here you can see, and here you can see Bitcoin is Bitcoin price goes to $33,200. Once Bitcoin hit this area, Bitcoin have to bounce back after hitting this area to hit again $35,000. If Bitcoin break this area, because Bitcoin is in this still is in this area, $32,000, $32,800 to $36,000 area. If Bitcoin break $32,800 and close 4 hourly candle below this zone, in that case it can hit this downtrend line and it is at $30,000. And if Bitcoin break $30,000, in that case $28,000 you can see in very short period. This is 4 hourly Bitcoin and chart, and Bitcoin is still in this descending channel after hitting several times. Here you can see several touches from upside. Here you can see this area. Bitcoin pull back, and now Bitcoin is again trying to break this area, $35,000. Two major areas are very important for the Bitcoin. $35,000 resistance area. Bitcoin have to break 35,000 towards upside. In that case, it can hit $38,000. If Bitcoin break $32,800 area, in that case 30,000 may be $28,000. And if Bitcoin again reject from after hitting this zone, and then price of the Bitcoin can go down to retest this zone, which is, here you can see, which is this area, $32,500. Again same area, $32,500 to $32,800. And once Bitcoin break this area, it can go down to hit this zone, $28,000. So that is why this area is very important, $32,800 area. And in upside, $35,000 to $35,500 area is very important. This is my last chart. Bitcoin was in this ascending wedge in 4 hour, and after that Bitcoin create another pattern within pattern, and it is ascending channel pattern. Here you can see this yellow lines, ascending channel pattern, and Bitcoin fails to break. I was boxed this area. I put a box in this area. The upside resistance line and upside trend line, $35,200 to $35,800. Bitcoin unfortunately fails to break this, and now it again retesting this zone, the downtrend line. Here you can see the downtrend line, and here you can see after several touches, Bitcoin is still in this ascending wedge. Maybe Bitcoin bounce back from that zone again and move like this, and after that Bitcoin have to decide whether it is going up or whether it is going down. But until this support zone is very important, which is still is $32,800. If Bitcoin break this downtrend line and close 4-hourly candle below $33,000, then 32,800 will be our last support zone for the Bitcoin. And if unfortunately Bitcoin break this, then this is last hope for the Bitcoin is at $29,600, this downtrend line. And according to that pattern, ascending channel pattern, let me please put it on it, and the target would be like this. 26,500. The ascending wedge target is this. I am not sure Bitcoin will hit that kind of price level, but we have to wait. We have to wait for the confirmation. If Bitcoin break 35,000 with 4-hourly strong candles, strong volume candles, in that case it can hit again 36,700. And if Bitcoin break 36,700, next target is $38,000. And if unfortunately Bitcoin break $32,800 towards downside, in that case 30,000, maybe 28,000, maybe 26,500 is waiting for the Bitcoin. This is my video, friends, and if you like to create your accounts with my affiliate link, and if you want to get special discount and special bonuses, then go to in this video's comment section where you can get a pin message and where you can get these two links, Binance and Bybit Exchange. Click on Binance Exchange and create your account. It will take only 20 seconds. And after initial deposit you can get $700 bonus. And you can also get 25% special trading fees bonus on every trade once you create your account with my link. And this is Bybit Exchange link. Click on this link and create your account. And after initial deposit, you can get $1,600 bonus, which is absolutely free and which is withdrawable and which is tradable too. My last words are that if Bitcoin hold this area, very strong area for the Bitcoin is at this area. This area is very important in this ascending channel. Bitcoin have to hold this area, $33,700 area. If Bitcoin break this area, then again Bitcoin can hit $30,000, and the next area is $32,800. According to the patterns, two major areas Bitcoin we have to look in Bitcoin charts are $35,000 area and $32,800 area. If Bitcoin break $35,000 with strong volume candles, in that case Bitcoin is ready to hit $36,700. And if Bitcoin break $36,700, in that case 38,000 will be the next target. And if Bitcoin unfortunately break $32,800, in any case Bitcoin is ready to hit 30,000, maybe 28,000, and maybe $26,500. These are the levels we have to watch very carefully. Thanks for the watching, and please keep supporting me. Take care.